Hi, today we are going to see NPTEL assignment solution for week 8 for the syllabus for the subject Microprocessor and Microcontroller. This is Benila from RM Engineering College. Identify the content of the accumulator. So for the program given. So CLRC, clear the carry flag. So CY is equal to 0. Move A comma 26H. So this hash tells you that it's going to be the data. So 26000102 and 0110 is 6. And RRC, rotate accumulator, rotate the accumulator with carries twice, right? So here the carry should be, accumulator should be rotated right through the carry. So the carry content is going to be 0. So from this B naught, it is moved to the carry, and from this carry content is going to be 0. It is going to be shifted here, and this 0, this 1. So it is shifted right for once. Again, they ask you to shift twice here. So the accumulator content, this B naught content is shifted to your carry 1, and this C should be moved to your B7. Then the 0 here, it is shifted for right once. So the content, the data is going to be 0000. For the 0000 is going to be 0, and 1001 is going to be 9. So the content of the accumulator is 09. What is the content of the accumulator? So move A comma 55. The content 55 is moved to your accumulator. Then the content 2, this is going to be decimal value, moved to your R3 register. The decimal value 5 is moved to your R2 register. CPLA, then complement the accumulator. Then DJNZ, decrement, jump or no 0, R2 again, and decrement, jump or no 0, R3 next. So how this program works, we'll see here. So R3 content is going to be 0, then accumulator is 55, that is 0101. This is going to be 5, then 0101 is going to be 5. And here your R2 value is going to be 5. So move R2 comma 5. So 5 has been moved to your accumulator. First you have to complement your accumulator. So complement is 0 becomes 1, 1 becomes 0. So I have complemented the accumulator content. Then D, J, N, Z. So decrement your R2 value. So R2 value will be decremented by 1, so it becomes 4, and you have to check whether it is non-zero. If it is not equal to 0, then you have to go to the loop, this one. So this is nothing, this place where this is going to be complement A. So since it is not equal to 0, I am just complementing it again. So 1 becomes 0, 0 becomes 1. Again what happens, till the value R2 is decremented. So till the R2 becomes 0, the value is going to be complemented. So here the R1 becomes 1, and then the accumulator content has been complemented. So again, if it becomes R2 becomes decremented, the value becomes 0, so it comes out of the loop. So out of the loop means it comes to this place. So here decrement, jump or no 0, R3. Now R3 value should be decremented. So the R3 value is going to be 2. So that is decremented as 1. Then it goes to the place next. So next is going to be this place. So here I am going to move your R2 value as 5. So 5, and then again next statement is going to be CPL. So the accumulator content will be complemented, and your value will be decremented. R2 value will be decremented, and again it will, if it is not equal to 0, it will be complemented. So this ways it goes on, and when R1 is equal to 1, R2 is equal to 1, value of your accumulator is obtained. Again if you are going to decrement your R2, the value becomes 0, so it comes out. So if it comes out, here the R3 value should be decremented. So already R3 value is 1, so if it is decremented, your R3 value becomes 0, so it comes out of the loop. Finally the accumulator content value is going to be 0101 is going to be 5, and 0101 is going to be 5. So this is how the program works. What is the content of the accumulator? So move A comma 15 and add A comma 34. So here the accumulator is moved to your 15 is moved to your accumulator. So 0001 0101. So 15, and then this is going to be 15. Then your for this 15, with this 15 you are going to add your 34. So 0011 0100. So now the content is going to be added. So now your A value is this one, right? So here 0100 is going to be 4, 1001 is going to be 9. So 49 is going to be the content. What is the status of your carry flag, accumulator carry flag, auxiliary carry flag, and parity flag after the execution of the program? So move A, 88, add with 88, add 93 with your 88. So accumulator content is 88. So 88. So the value 88 is given here. 1000 1000 and 93 is 1001 0011. So after the performing your addition, so the carry is going to be 1. So you have your carry. So carry is going to be 1, and there is no carry from the lower nibble to upper nibble. So auxiliary value is going to be 0, and your parity flag, the accumulator content is contains even number of 1. So your parity flag is 0. For odd number of 1, the parity flag will become 1. So which is not a feature of ARM processor. High power consumption is not a feature of your ARM processor because it's meant for your low power consumption. Which of the following is the advantage of RISC processor over your CISC processor? Is your RISC processor is having more efficient use of memory bandwidth. What is the content of your stack pointer? So stack pointer here they have given it as SP07 move R6, 625 R1, 112 12 move R4, 0F3H. So push 6. So you can write push R6 instead of that one. You can write it as push 6, push 1, and push 4. So here the initial value of your stack pointer is 07. So 0. So while you are pushing the value, the stack pointer should be incremented by 1, and then the content will be pushed into the memory location. So stack pointer is 07. So it should be incremented by 1. It becomes 08, and 25 is pushed. Next is push 1. So increment your stack pointer by 1. So stack pointer value is 8. So 8 plus 1 becomes 9. So 12 is pushed. The last is push 4. So stack pointer should be incremented by 1. So 09 is incremented by 1. It becomes 0A. Then the content is pushed here. So now the stack pointer value is going to be 0A. Which of the following operations performed by the following code? So move A, 55 and move 80, A. So here the content 55 is moved to your accumulator. From that accumulator, this 55 is moved to your 80H. So 80H is going to be port 0 value. So send 55 to port 0. So port 0 default port as default is output port. So you are moving it to 80. If it is 90 now, port 1. If it is A0 now, port 2. If it is B0 means it becomes port 3. So what is the content of RAM location 41? So move A, 55, move R0, 40, move at R0A, increment R0, move at R0A. So here your accumulator content is moved. 55 is moved to your accumulator, then 40 is moved to your R0 register, move at R0. So move at R0 is it's an indirect addressing. The content accumulated is moved to the memory location which is stored in your R0. That is 55 will be moved into at R0. So where R0 value is 40. So to the memory location 40, your 55 will be stored. And you are incrementing your R0. So R0 is 40. So if you are increment your R0 becomes 41. So now at R0A is 55 is moved to your R0 where your R0 content is 41. So for the memory location 41, the content 55 will be loaded. So your RAM location content 41 is going to be 55. Which of the following operation is performed by the given operation? So here the program has been given. So here clear C move, this content is moved to your accumulator and then you are adding with it. So the content is moved to your R6. Then again 8-bit is added. So second is added with your ADDC, add with carry, and that is moved to your R7. So what operation is performed now? So 16-bit addition is performed here. So here it is 16-bit addition. So E7 will added with your 86. The result is moved into your R6. already if you has any carry, it will be there in their carry. So you'll be performing your ADDC in the next one. So 3C is added with your 3B and the value is loaded in your R7. So 16-bit addition is performed between your 3C E7 and 3B D8. What is the content of your B register? So here A is moved with 30, B is moved to a 10. So divide A by AB. So here what is the thing is 30 divided by 10. Here the 30 and 10 is your decimal value. So here in division, your A is moved to your, the quotient is moved to your accumulator and remainder is moved to your B register. So since both your 30 and 10 are decimal, since they didn't give any H here, so it's decimal. So 30 divided by 10, quotient will be 3, remainder will be 0. What is the content of the accumulator after the execution of this one? So move A, 12, XRL, logic R. So A is 12, so 0001, 0010 and 34 is 0011, 0100. So exclusive or else, if both your value are same, the value is output is 0. If both the values are not same, the value is 1. So it is 000, 101, 011, 000, 110, 011, 000. So your accumulator is, this is 2, this is 6. So your accumulator content is 26H. Identify the operations performed. So here they have given this program here. Move R1 comma hash 0, R7 comma 8. So R1 and R7 data is 0 and 8. Accumulator content. So we will be considering initially your accumulator as 0 and your move A comma 97. So this is 97 here. First RLC rotate the accumulator left through carry here. So your B7 value will be rotated here. Yeah. So your B0 value will be moved to your carry here, right? So this carry value is B7 value is moved to your accumulator carry here, and then your value is going to be rotated left. So it is going to be more rotated left. So next what happens? Jump on carry. So here if your carry is going to be 1, you are going to the location, this location. So here this location decrement JNZ R7. So here your R1 value is same as 0 here, and then decrement your R7. So your 7, this is 8 becomes 7 here, and since it is not equal to 0, you are going to perform this again. So this is going to be again it goes to this position RLC. You are going to perform your RLC. So now what happens? Your carry value becomes 0 here. So whatever your B7, that value will be here, and your accumulator content will be shifted left by 1. So now again what happens? You are going to be check jump on carry. So here jump on carry, you have to move to this one, but here your carry is going to be 0. So what happens? It goes to the next line here, increment R1. So your R1 becomes 1, R7 becomes 6. So after this one, this come to the next line. So decrement your R7. So R7 becomes 6. Again it is not equal to 0. It goes to the again RLC A. So now what happens here? Your 0 will be moved to your carry, and it is left. You will perform your left once again. So it goes on. So again what happens? It check for your jump on carry. If your carry is 0, then what happens? It should be incremented by 1. So R1 becomes R2. So your R5. So likewise what happens? It goes on. So the value will goes on till your R7 becomes 1. So once your R7 becomes 1, the next value will become 0. So it comes out of the loop. So what it does, whenever you have your carry as 0, the value of your R1 gets incremented. So it is finding number of zeros in 97. So RISC stands for Reduced Instruction Set Computer. And what is the size of ALU of ARM7 processor? Is 32-bit. Thank you guys. We'll meet in the next video. Subscribe my channel for automatic update. Have a nice day.